Good evening, sir. I picked judge number 1.
Judge number 1, Mr. Dexter Florendo.
Ay, hello. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. So, my question is, paano mo haharapin ang pakikitungo sa issue ng bullying at pagpapalakas ng kagandahang loob sa inyong komunidad? Ulitin ko lang, paano mo haharapin ang pakikitungo sa issue ng bullying at pagpapalakas ng kagandahang loob sa iyong komunidad?
Thank you so much. The question that was given to me is how I'm gonna face the art of bullying and how I will protect the community inside what we call bullying. Simple as this, I will let them know that bullying is bad. Bakit kamo? Napakaraming dumadanas ng tinatawag nating pambubulso o ang tinatawag nating bullying. Simply because feeling nila sila ang nakakaangat sa bawat isa. Ngunit kung uunawain natin ang bawat isa, tayo lamang ay pantay-pantay. Tayo lamang ay naririto upang bigyan ng kapahalagahan ng istasyon at status ng bawat isa. Kung alam natin sa ating sarili na kung ano ang limitasyon natin, kailanman malalaman nating hindi tama ang tinatawag na bullying. I became part of bullying. When I was in elementary, I was bullied because of my gender identity. But I stand up and be proud of myself. I am an honor student from elementary up to college. And by that, I proved to them na hindi ako bakla lang. Bakla man sa pagbubusabos, ngunit hindi tutupo. Para patunayan na mula ulo hanggang paa, ako po ay tao. At para sa mga nakakaranas ng bullying, alam ko na sila ay sumasang-alang sa anxiety at depression. Simple lamang, I will use my wisdom to share the words of mouth. Simply because sabi nga nila, hindi ka makakapagbigay ng advice kung hindi mo pa nararanasan. And the best experience is teacher. Yayakapin ko sila ng buong buo upang maranasan nila sa mundong mapangusga. Hindi sila nag-iisa. At tatandaan po natin na kailanman hindi tamang manakit ng iyong kapwa. Because after all, we are brothers and sisters. We should love one another. No more, no less. Good morning.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 2, Miss Gabby Garcia. And now, let me call on candidate